Well, Barry, great job getting this home together.
When I was speaking with the seller to talk about staging, she was so delighted when we came in, talked to her about necessary things to do that well within her budget.
When you have a brighter home, it just feels more spacious and more open and inviting.
It takes really a village in order to get this prepared, whether it's the painters, the repair people, the cleaners, and of course the stager and the photography. 100% of all buyers are seeing the home for the first time online. So if those pictures don't jump out at them, they have no vision. They can't imagine what it's going to be like. But when you have it staged beautifully like this one is, it just gives them a better sense of what this home could feel like if they move there.
And also when you have other homes on the market in the same area, this home would stand out a little bit more.
I hope to think so, yes.
I see you not just as a realtor, but you're like a project manager.
It's really domino effect, and that's really important. You have it all set up with, okay, the cleaner comes this day, the painter comes this day, all the different people lined up. So it's really important that you have not only quality contractors, helpers, but I also have reliable helpers.
Yes.
And that is so critical, because if one drops the ball, then it really affects the whole process.
That's true, and thank you for getting the home ready for us, because the moment that we came in to start our job, everything was all ready for us.
Yes.
And that's always appreciated. Every time we work with you, the home is ready.
Well, thank you. I have a tendency to try to just cram everything in a few days, but just to make it all our lives easier, I just try to have it a nice, relatively leisurely process that gets done. So yeah, this wasn't very stressful to get ready. So let's go inside. So if you can see, it's very open. We have the very inviting living room with a gas log fireplace. Right over here we have our formal dining room. So what's wonderful about this dining room is the fact that it's so open and that you can be talking to people in the living room, in the kitchen, almost anywhere in the house. And of course, it overlooks the living room. So the kitchen is very open.
Things will never be the same, like strangers again.
Leads into their family rooms, which makes a great place for entertaining. Kitchen, family room, and then you're able to go out right easily to your outdoor area. What's wonderful about this outdoor space is that not only is it spacious, but also because of the other homes that are next to it, it blocks the wind. So you could be out here in the evenings in Foster City and have a lovely evening. It's very private. On the main floor, we do have our powder room. So let's go upstairs to the bedrooms. And all 3 bedrooms are located on the 2nd floor. Let me show you one of the kids' rooms.
Strangers again.
Nice and light, lots of windows.
We're like strangers.
Here we have the other kids' room. You could make it into a den if you wish. Lots of lighting. So now let's go see the master suite. What's wonderful about this master suite, besides being a good size, is the natural light. Also, the vaulted ceiling makes it feel very spacious. Also, what's really nice about this is that the double sinks are outside. We've painted many of the walls, as well as replaced a lot of the light fixtures with designer lights.
So there you have it. You saw Barry's tour. You saw all the potential in this home. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Contact Barry Gewertz if you have any questions about, getting your home ready or anything real estate related.
Yeah, and I can be reached at 650-888-1895. Look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Okay.
Hopefully it recorded.
Yes, it did.